Hi there and welcome to Master Tracker. Master Tracker is a website that helps you control your food and beverage cost of sales. This is just a quick overview to give you an idea of what to do. On the main page here you've got your login, your sign up. Sign up can be for 30 days and just general information here on how to use the system. You can also sign up in this box over here. So start your free trial today basically. We'll whip over and we will log in. Not now, thank you. So this is just a general overview of the dashboard. Once you've logged in and you've created yourself a user ID and a company, you'll get to see this area here. At the top here you'll see that you can export any of the entered information through to PDF file or to a CSV file. Kitchen means that you're in the kitchen area. Beverage means that you're in the beverage area. Minibar means that you're in the minibar area, and the same with amenities. User settings are up here, so that allows you to change your password and do whatever you like in there. This is obviously a sample of the website. So just to give you a quick overview, this is your invoice monthly total. Invoices are entered without any tax in this system here. If you do decide that you want to enter your tax, you can do that. You just need to be consistent across the board. But what we do here is we enter all the invoices without the tax. So this is the invoice total. Any credits in this area here, any revenue goes into this area here, and this is obviously the most important, where this is your food cost of sales. If you click on beverage, you'll see that it's the beverage cost of sales just coming up here. So this is what the beverage cost of sales is. Obviously you want to stick around that 28 to 30%. Most businesses run a third, so a third of overheads, a third of profit, and running costs. Okay. You also have a year-to-date figure down here. It's not necessary to do food stock takes or beverage stock takes with this system. However, you can, but it's not included in this. Okay. So here you can pick the month that you want to view, and you can go, obviously you can go backwards in time, but you can't go forwards in time. Alright, so we're just back into kitchen at the moment. So how you enter invoices, you go to the daily log, you choose whatever date you like, whatever the date is on the invoice, you pick a supplier. For argument's sake, we're just going to put vegetable in. There isn't a vegetable, well, there's Abby's here, but if there isn't a supplier, you just click on create a new supplier, and then we can type in vegetables, for instance. We've got Xero connected to this, so if you have a Xero accounting program, you can transfer all the entered information into Xero with very little effort. It's just a matter of downloading it, basically. The contact person, so might be Peter, and whatever their telephone number is. So 12. Okay, so that just creates a supplier. So vegetables is now a supplier. You enter your invoice number, whatever that might be. If you use order number system, you can put your order number in here as well. Today the vegetables cost $1,000, and we got a credit for say $10 because certain veggies weren't right. Okay. Down here you can enter your food cost, any staff meals, any transfers to the bar. You can either do that as a total cost, or you can do it as a packs. So if you put 20 times and your budget is 2.50 per person, it works it out for you, and then you can make a note behind it, say that the staff meal had chicken today. Obviously tomorrow you'll enter your revenue for today because you wouldn't have made your revenue yet. Okay, so but we'll put it in today because this is just a sample program anyway. Once you've entered all your information, you just go save, and it saves it. And what it does is it adjusts this area here, your total revenue and what your cost of sales is, your percentage. So and it says for September. So that's basically how it works. It's pretty quick. It doesn't take long. So if you had 10 invoices a day, it won't take you very long to enter. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like after you've entered a few, you can enter quite a lot here. Okay, so same here. The staff meals 7 at 40. So that's what's been entered. Reports, you've got a variety of reports that you can view. There's a date selection here, so you can always go back in time. So let's go back, say, to February. Let's go update, and it'll give you from February through to now. Okay, if you want to view any of these in a particular order, you just click on the debit and it'll tell you from largest to smallest. Okay, same with suppliers. It'll tell you who your suppliers are, where you've purchased the most from. If you want to know who you've purchased the most from, again, just click on the debit and it'll give you from lowest to highest. Exactly the same with the cost items. If you've had staff meals or anything like that, these are all at 0 at the moment because I haven't entered any. Revenue, same with the revenue. You can look at the revenue, what the revenue was, and these again are all downloadable to PDF or CSV files. Okay, and again you can view them as you want, either highest to lowest or by date. And the kitchen cost percentage here, so you can choose, or you can choose to see which ones you want just by collecting the date range. Same with the beverage, same with the minibar, same with the amenities, exactly the same, no different. Going into settings here, we have your account details. We have when your financial year starts. These are the fields that you use at the front on the dashboard. So you can create your own fields. If you have rebates or anything like that, you can type them into here and just add the field. Then you choose which area you want to view them in, whether it be on the dashboard, kitchen, beverage area, minibar area. So you just tick whatever is appropriate. You can edit these, you can delete these, you can do whatever you like with those. Staff members. So you're not limited to one person using Master Tracker. Master Tracker, you can have multiple users. There'll always be an owner and there'll be an administrator, and you can also have users. Users have a limited access to some of the features, or the most important features anyway, for their owner. Billing information. Billing information is here. It's $4.75 a year to use Master Tracker. You can pay with your credit card. It can re-invoice your credit card each year if that's what you like. Invoices, once you've paid, we'll create an invoice for you and you can print that off in PDF. Another good feature is suppliers. We just showed you how to add a supplier before, and see we've added it down here. Again, this is just a sample page. So once you've put it in, you can type in the name of your supplier, the contact person and their phone number, and do you have a Xero or another accounting program that you use that you'd like to use a code for. If you have a particular MYOB or something like that, if you'd like to get in contact with us and we could set that up for you, no problem at all. Just need to know the version of MYOB or other accounting programs that you have. And that's it really. That's an overview of Master Tracker. There is Master Tracker is getting an upgrade very soon. We're adding rosters and costing to the system, so that should be very, very interesting when it comes out. Anyway, happy using, and hopefully we'll catch up with you very soon.